Hey guys, what's going on? Hippie here. So I got a Master Lock 140. It is definitely on the lower end of their security, but I just got this as a gift. So let's just go ahead and get it open. I don't think I've done a Master Lock 140 before. Done a number 3. I've done their heavier duty M5. I've done the Master Lock 570 and the Master Lock 100 anniversary, but I have not done a 140 before. So, oh wow, okay. All right, so there's that. Let's give this thing a pick. That right in there. All right. Let's see what kind of damage we can do. Wow. This one is proven to be kind of difficult. Oh, there we go. All right, Master Lock 140. Picked and open.